Hey guys, welcome to Tech Review Summaries. So the Phiaton BT100NC earphones. These are pretty good at being a great everyday, all-around type of neckband styled earplugs. They're lightweight, they're comfortable. These are feature packed. All the buttons here, they serve as double duty for controls. The earbuds, although they're kind of fiddly when you're tucking them in, they're comfortable enough for long periods of time. But I think like what is the greatest strength of these earbuds here is that they have Bluetooth, active noise canceling. They can pair with multiple devices at the same time. They are sweat and water resistant. So these things are great to listen to every day if you're going to be working out, if you're going to be traveling. They don't weigh that much. They're easy to toss on top of gear. So this is something that you can basically wear in and around almost all the time. The only real drawback to this is that the audio quality is, it's okay. You're not going to get blown away by it. And you can spend a little bit more money and get something that's going to be higher quality. But I think that the biggest thing about the BT100NC right here is the active noise canceling. So if you're somebody that, if you like to travel a lot, if you like to work out, and if you want like one set of earphones that can do it all and last like for the greater part of the day with the built-in wireless and the battery, this is going to be it right here. It's pretty good. It's not too bad for the price. So if you want all the full details, hit the link below, read my full review. Otherwise, come back soon and see what I got next. And maybe I won't have something trying to mess up my speech caught in my throat like this too. See you around, guys.